If you own a small YouTube channel, I bet one of your goals in 2024 is to start making money from YouTube. Now, I recently monetized my channel a couple of months ago, and I have learned a lot along the way. Am I an expert at getting you to 1 million subscribers? No, I'm not. But I can tell you how to monetize your channel. You do want to hit that magic 1,000 subscriber mark and the 4,000 hours of watch time, right? Well, I have some tips for you that's gonna help you get there faster, and I've got some tips for things not to do so you don't slow yourself down. And just to spice things up, Finn is gonna pick the location of where we film today. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, where are we gonna go?
Why don't we go to the Mission?
Downtown?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Now, this is gonna seem a little controversial, but when it comes to a question of quality versus quantity, when you're just starting out, focus on quantity, not quality. You need the reps. You need to do videos over and over and over so that you can actually figure out what works, so you can figure out how to make videos. The quality will come over time, but if you don't practice, if you don't get those videos out, then you will never get to that quality. Now, don't make crappy videos, of course, but you wanna focus on getting videos filmed, shot, and released. It took me 50 videos, 50 videos to go from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, and it took me almost 1.5 years. Setting a consistent schedule is really gonna help you, and not because, you hear people say, oh, you've got to release weekly or daily or twice a week or whatever for the YouTube algorithm. It's not for the YouTube algorithm. It's not even for your subscribers, because at the beginning, you don't have a lot of subscribers. It's for you. It's for you to be accountable so that you keep making videos and putting them out. Now, a lot of people are obsessed with getting a viral video. You get a viral video, everything takes off, and you're getting those all the subscribers and all the watch time and things like that. But getting a viral video is pretty random. You don't have a lot of control over it, especially when you're just starting out. That's where this quantity thing comes back in, because the more videos you make, the more likely you're gonna have one pop off. I have a video that's almost 1 year old, and it accounts for like 20% of my views to this day, and it accounts for 50% of the money coming in from AdSense, which is kind of crazy. Now, this might seem obvious, but the idea is the most important thing with your video. It doesn't matter how good your filming technique is, your editing technique, even your on-camera personality. Those are all important, but your idea is the most important thing. Now, this might come as a shock. The second most important thing is your packaging. In other words, your thumbnail and your title. Your thumbnail and your title are the most important things of your video, because that is the very first interaction that your viewer has with you. If you lose them at the thumbnail or the title, you will never get them back. All right, this next piece of advice is gonna seem a little strange, but be repetitive. And what I mean by that is, if you discover a theme or a topic or something that is really, really working, keep doing it. Do it with variations, okay? Do it over and over. Now, I know what you're thinking. My viewers are gonna just get really angry because I'm repeating the same thing over and over. You know what? Viewers aren't seeing all your videos. In fact, even your subscribers are not seeing all your videos. So it's okay to repeat something. And let's say you revisit an idea that you had 1 year ago and someone sees it again. You know what? You gotta do a different variation on it. You gotta add something to it. Nobody's gonna even remember it. So find something that works and keep doing it. Okay, now, Finn. All right, where are we going next?
City Hall?
Up the hill, yeah, let's go. Should we do a transition? What should we do? Let's do a whip pan. All right, so here are some things that you want to avoid so that you can keep your channel growing. And the first thing is, you gotta pick a niche and stick with it. Don't be someone who's like trying all these different topics, all these different subjects, and all these different styles, because you really make YouTube's job harder. Now, my most popular video is kind of off-brand, and even though it is a viral video of sorts, it's probably hurting me in the long run because it's not what I do. Now, a lot of people complain about the YouTube algorithm is against them, doesn't want them to succeed. You know what? That's just not true. The algorithm wants to find you an audience, but if your videos are all over the place, it's really gonna struggle to find that audience. It doesn't know who you are, so your viewers aren't gonna know who you are, and that's because you don't know who you are. They say that every video is treated individually and one can be successful and 99 of them aren't successful on the same channel. But really, the way YouTube works is that it uses your subscribers first to test how well your videos are working before it starts opening it up to a bigger audience. So if your subscribers are confused, you're never going to get anywhere. So if you're just starting your channel, or even if you've been going for a little while, don't make the mistake of asking your friends and family to subscribe. But I know what you're thinking. Hey, that's an easy subscriber right there. But you know what? They probably are not interested in your particular topic. So what they're interested in tells YouTube, hey, those are the kinds of people who should be coming to your channel. And that's probably not the case. So there's that huge amount of confusion there, and that's going to slow your growth. Believe me, I made that mistake and I really regret it. Even though this guy subscribed to me right here. I appreciate that. All right, so we got one more location we're gonna go to, and where do you wanna go?
McConnell's.
McConnell's ice cream?
Ice cream. Ice cream.
I knew this was gonna happen. All right, let's go to ice cream. Okay, my final tip to you is don't give up. It took me about 2 years to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it took me a long time to find my niche. So whatever you're doing, just keep at it, and you'll make it eventually. Stick with it, and you got this. And 2024 is gonna be your year. All right, you know what? Let's go get some ice cream.